First introduced in 1971, the California was born out of a collaboration between Moto Guzzi and the United States Police Force. It was designed for long-distance comfort, high durability, and of course, reliable performance. Since then, the California has been the choice for riders looking for a combination of classic cruiser and distinctive European technology. And now the legend is back, bigger, bolder, and more muscular than ever. Meet the Moto Guzzi 1400 California Custom 2026. First appearing in 2013, this bike immediately made a splash. With Moto Guzzi's signature V-twin engine, a classic Italian design, and a style that stands out from the crowd, production stopped in 2020. It was as if the legend had fallen asleep. But now it's not just waking up, it's a resurrection. Once elegant, it's now a true muscle bike, a powerful motorcycle ready to dominate the streets. The design is different. A large tank with sharp curves, an open frame that shows off the engine's muscle, and a compact but powerful stern. From a standstill, this bike already looks fierce. The heart is still the 1,400 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, but this time it's more refined, with big torque at mid-range and a Guzzi signature sound that gets even more savage from the dual or even triple exhaust. It sounds like a jet. The character? Ferocious at speed, but still comfortable to ride. The rear suspension uses a horizontal monoshock model that makes the bike more stable and fun to ride. The front uses a strong and precise upside-down suspension. The wheels are modern spoke style, covered with wide tires from Goodyear, ready to grip the asphalt to maximum. This bike is clearly designed to turn heads. It targets a market that values power, style, and a striking presence, especially the US market, where Moto Guzzi has a strong and loyal fan base. However, its visual appeal and unique character are sure to capture the hearts of motorcycle lovers in Europe and even Japan.